So you might be trying to figure out how you can reset your particular Roku remote. Now, doing this is actually very basic and it really doesn't take too much time at all. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go and make your way over to the back of your particular Roku remote. And what you want to do is you want to take out the batteries. So we're going to go and basically power down our particular remote. So we're going to slide this thing to the back, and depending on which remote you have, you can follow the process. So you want to take out the batteries. So just take out both of them. You can even probably take out one. But you want to reinsert the batteries exactly the same way that you took them out. So make sure you put them in the right way. You don't want to flip the batteries or anything because sometimes that can cause problems. And then what you're going to want to do is you want to go and basically you'll see this little back button in the back of your particular controller. What this back button does is it basically allows you to go ahead and will go and repair this particular remote to your particular TV, Roku, headset, whatever you're using. So what you're going to want to do is you want to hold down this particular button on the back until this particular controller completely goes ahead and restarts. So at that point, you should be able to see that your Roku, your actual Roku device like this one will go and basically just restart. And then at that point, what's going to happen is that this particular device will then reconnect to that particular Roku. And that really is all you're going to have to do. At that point, you can slide this thing back in just like so. And then you'll be able to use your remote just by holding down the power button, powering this thing on, and then powering on your controller, your Roku TV thing. And that basically is how to use it. If it's not working or something like that, you can try watching this video. You can try getting closer to your actual Roku device and holding down the power button. Try powering on that way. But those are a few different ways to go and fix the problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.